So we got this question. We have to integrate this ugly part. So we have something, then something, and then again something. We have something in the denominator as well. So you can observe that the given function is so much complicated because it is carrying so much informations. Okay. So what I'm suggesting you guys, just go with the simplification. Simplification means convert every element into same trigonometric ratio and same angle. Okay, so if you'll observe the root wala part, it is carrying same trigonometric function, that is sine function, with same angle, so we don't have problem with the root. Look at the bracket part is also carrying same trigonometric function, and theta is also same. But look at this entity is carrying trigonometric function as same, but they are carrying 2 theta. Okay, so we have to break down this 2 theta into theta, and here also we have 2 theta which is involved, so we have to break that part as well. So let's crack this question. So it is sine theta into, can I write sine 2 theta as 2 sine theta cos theta, then sine power 6 theta sine power, I won't write everything. Okay, so I will write sine theta as s, cos theta as I'll writing cos. Okay, so sine 2 sine cos theta, then sine power 6 sine power 4 sine power 2, then 2 sine power 4 3 sine power 2, and then plus of 6. Okay, and 1 minus cos 2 theta is what? 2 sine square theta. Is that okay? Yes, it is okay. So if you'll observe, you have sine square theta over here, 2 sine square theta over here. Here also we have 2 sine square theta. So this thing got neutralized. Okay. Now look at this. Inside bracket, everything is in terms of sine. Everything in terms of time sine. You have cos component over here. So don't you think if I'll take z as sine theta, we can get differentiation as cos theta, and we can get rid of this cos theta, correct? Okay, so what I'm trying to do, I will take z as sine theta. Let's do the differentiation. So dz by d theta equals cos theta. So look at this, you have cos theta, you have d theta, which will be replaced by dz. Okay, so let's do the replacements. So z power 6, z power 4, z power 2, and then 2z power 4, 3z power 2 plus 6 with dz. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Okay, now look at this. If you will observe this thing and you will take z as, means new variable y as this, your power will get reduced. Means power means, uh, if you will differentiate z power 4, you will have z power 3, but this is z power 6, correct? So you are not getting idea. But if you will take this as z, what will happen? You will have x power z power 5, but you are not having z power 5. So what we should do, we have to take something inside the bracket as z, so that we can get this result, correct now? So what I am suggesting you, take z square common from here. Why, you will understand soon. So if you will take z square common, you will be left with z power 4, z power 2 and 1, and z power 2 you have to send inside the bracket. So if you will send z power, I think z power 2 is not required. Z is enough to do the job. Okay, so take z common. So it will become 5, 3, 1. So if I'll take z, z will go inside and z will become z square because you are dealing with square root. Okay, so you will have 2 times z power 6, 3 times z power 4, 6 times z power 2 dz. Now be super slow. If you will differentiate z power 6, it will become z power 5. Correct na? So wait a moment. So this thing will become z power 5. If you will differentiate this, it will become z power 3. If you will differentiate this, it will become z power 1. Okay, so you got the idea na? Now look at this. What I will do, I will take y as 2 z power 6, 3 z power 4, 6 z power 2. As things are inside the root, so I will take y square instead of y. Now let's do the differentiation. So 2y dy by dz equals 12 z power 5, 12 z power 3, 12 z. Now you got the idea na? Every constant coefficient becomes constant. Okay, so can I take 12 common from there and we can write it, take that thing on the left hand side. So it will become y dy by 6 and then z power 5, z power 3, z and with dz. Okay, so we got the bracket gracefully. Okay, so it is 1 by 6 integration of y dy, and look at this thing is what, inside root it is z y square, so outside root it will come y will come, so y into y will become y square. Now let's do the integration. So it will become y power 3 by 3. Now 1 by 18. Now replace your y. So who is your y? Y is that thing. So I will take 2 z power 6, 3 z power 4, 6 z square power 1 by 2 and then power 3. So it is 3 by 2 plus integration constant c. You know that they have asked question in terms of theta, not in z. So you have to replace your z's. So who was z? Z was sine theta. So apply the replacement. 1 by 18 2 sine theta power 6, 3 sine theta power 4, 6 sine theta square power 3 by 2 plus integration constant c. So this is your result. I hope you got the approach and you can handle similar situation. Means, like if you'll observe now, we did so many things, but those are connected. Okay, we have solved similar kind of questions. Okay, but in this question you are solving everything together. Okay, so these type of questions connect the every dot that you have studied throughout the chapter. Okay.